Hi friends, today we're going to have a lot of fun drawing a cute little hedgehog holding flowers. Start by drawing two small circles near the top middle of your paper. These will be the hedgehog's eyes. Inside each eye, leave a tiny white spot at the top for a cute shine and another at the bottom for extra sparkle. Color them in. That's already looking adorable. Above each eye, draw a little rainbow-shaped curve for the eyebrows. Nice and easy. Keep going. Right below the eyes, draw a small oval for the nose. Make sure it's rounded at the edges. You're doing great. Under the nose, draw a simple smiling mouth. Look at that happy face. For the tongue, add a U shape. And now your hedgehog has a lovely friendly smile. Draw the chin by adding a smooth, curved line right under the mouth. That's perfect. Draw two simple arms. Start by making a curved line coming out from each side. At the end of each arm, draw four little fingers. You're doing amazing. Near the bottom, draw two short legs for the feet. Keep it up. You're almost there. Go back to the head and start by drawing the front hair. Use small, curved lines at the top of the forehead, making a soft fringe that falls forward. Take your time to give the hair a fun, playful look. Draw the rest of the hair by adding more curved lines along the top of the head, going all the way around. Each little strand is looking fantastic. Add two ears on top of the head. It's coming together so well. Amazing. You're doing great. Now, in the hedgehog's right hand, draw a stem and add petals and leaves. It looks wonderful. Let's continue by drawing a few simple flowers. Draw more flowers by sketching petals and using your imagination. Be creative. You can make some flowers big, some small. The best part? It doesn't have to look perfect. Each flower is unique, just like your drawing. Feel free to add as many as you want and don't be afraid to make them playful and fun. You're doing great. It's starting to look beautiful. Now, for the fun part, the spiky points. Start at the top of the head and work your way down. Draw quick, small, zigzag lines around the head and hands. No need to be perfect. Just have fun with it. Every line you draw is one step closer to a wonderful creation. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep it up. After that, continue drawing more zigzag lines along the outer edges of the body. These lines will give your hedgehog that fluffy, spiky look. Once you're happy with the spikes, it's time to color it in with lots of joy. And there you have it, your very own hedgehog holding flowers. I hope you enjoyed following along, and I can't wait to see you next time. Keep drawing, keep smiling.